Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we'll explore creative mix-ins, protein options, and flavor variations to make your avocado shake even better. Think about two ingredients that shouldn't work together: rich, savory avocado and perhaps something sweet or icy. Yet, the avocado shake proves that sometimes the most unexpected pairings create magic. It transforms the humble green fruit into a velvety, chilled drink that is surprisingly delicious and immensely satisfying. If you've never tried blending an avocado into a smoothie, you are missing one of the simplest, healthiest treats available. This shake isn't just a sweet indulgence, it is a fantastic way to boost your daily nutrition. It delivers essential nutrients in a satisfying package. In this video, we're going to explore what makes this shake so special and how you can easily make the perfect blend at home. Why avocado shakes are the ultimate healthy treat. An avocado shake is much smarter than the typical sugary smoothie. Often, the health halo surrounding fruit smoothies hides large amounts of processed sugar. Avocado naturally brings thickness and fullness without relying on high sugar ingredients. This section explains why choosing an avocado shake is a practical and healthy choice for your body. The power of healthy fats for energy and fullness. One of the greatest benefits of the avocado shake is its fat content. Don't let the word fat scare you. The fat in avocados is primarily monounsaturated fat, widely known for being heart healthy. These are the good fats. These healthy fats are keys to sustained energy. Unlike simple carbohydrates that cause energy spikes and crashes, monounsaturated fats digest slowly. This process keeps you feeling satisfied for hours. A morning avocado shake can help prevent that mid-morning crash, stopping you from reaching for unhealthy snacks later in the day. Boosting digestion with hidden fiber. Many people overlook the significant fiber content in avocados. A large avocado can contain nearly 14 grams of dietary fiber. When you blend it into a shake, you consume all that gut-friendly material directly. Fiber maintains good gut health and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This stability is crucial, especially when compared to typical breakfast options like refined cereals or pastries. Adding avocado to your diet supports regular digestion and contributes to overall wellness. A vitamin and mineral powerhouse in a glass. Drinking an avocado shake is like taking a powerful multivitamin. Avocados are packed with nutrients important for many body functions. Consider potassium. Avocados boast more of this mineral than bananas. Potassium plays a critical role in muscle function and helps your body balance fluids. Additionally, avocados provide generous amounts of vitamins K, C, and E. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamins C and E are powerful antioxidants that support your immune system and protect your cells. Including avocado in your shake ensures you get these important nutrients easily. Key nutrient: monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, vitamin K. Primary benefit: heart health, sustained fullness. Supports gut health, stabilizes blood sugar. Balances fluids, supports muscle function. Essential for blood clotting and bone support. Experiment with these tips to create your perfect shake. Your creamy, healthy boost is ready. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.